But
age I ever seen, youngest that'll ever be. Behind me there's so much support, I couldn't ask for better friends. Music's like a drug to me, at times it's like my medicine. But I've been sick so long I don't think this stupid shit will ever end. All you gotta really do is say no. Man, I do chick like an angel, no halo. Smoking all weed so we can both go lay low. Hating on me, man, that's no bueno. Cause I can feel those lies every time I look inside those eyes. Never really thought I'd be this close, even though I'm losing you inside. I made a pact with my hometown, swore to never slow down. It's us against the world, and it's like the whole world knows now. Look at life before this, three's a charm but we for this. And I know it's hard to ignore this, still I'll lose you in that chorus. I'm gone.
Somebody pinch me, is this a dream, girl? Do you ever miss me? Considered you my dream, girl. Never what it seems, girl. Losing you was a nightmare. And they say fight for love, if I'm losing you, I won't fight fair, ready? All you really gotta do is say so, girl. Had a lot of things that I wish I said. I traveled back in time just to change my words. Hold you in my arms one more time and said I'm staring at a blank page, trying to put in words away. I feel everything I write, I fucking erase. So the pain in your voice is all I hear inside my head. And I'm sorry, all these love games to Atari. It was you and me against the world, now my life is one big party. Betraying you for this is so stupid, it's like I'm losing it when you're gone. Guess I'm not used to this, cause I'm new to this. So I sat down to write this song, and I want you to know that no matter what, I'll be here for you when the sun don't shine. And I know we said promises no matter what, I really do promise, girl, I mean it this time. As long as you're happy, then I'm happy too. Yeah, I guess I'm happy too, but I don't know what I'll do now that I'm losing you.
In the back, buck up the party before